Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Sometimes life ain't no easy, no. You can feel the pain, I can see your pain, yeah. Just hold it up high, even through the strain. That's why I say, please don't go crazy. Hold your sanity. Don't you worry about life. You need is your sanity. Please don't go crazy. Don't you worry about life. Hold on your sanity. Please don't go crazy. Won't you worry about life? One day it's gonna be alright. One day it's gonna be all fine. Just settle down now. Don't worry up your mind. Yeah. The struggles can get to you. Yeah. This pain can get to you. Yeah. Don't you worry now. Calm down yourself and think about life, yeah. Be positive in your mind. Don't you worry, no time. Be balanced, and you'll see it's all fine, yeah. I see the pain, I see it in your eyes. I know you can't take it no more. Yeah, I know you can't take no more. But just realize, yeah, you need your sanity. Please don't go crazy. Please don't you worry about life. You need your sanity. Please don't go crazy. Please don't you worry about life. See the pain just happen. Yeah, terrible things just really happen. Yeah, I know the pain you survive. Yeah, but they're all a lesson. Sometimes the worst things happen just for a blessing. Yeah, just know that every failure ever is equal to success in life. Yeah, just have a positive mind that it'll make it out. Yeah, there's another turning point in your life. Yeah, yeah, just know that you'll survive. I said sanity. Please don't go crazy. Please don't you worry about life. You need your sanity. So please don't go crazy. Don't you worry about life. Yeah. Just know one day everything's gonna be alright. Yeah. Please help him out. If you don't see them, it's gonna be fine. Yes, I just know that now. God is been crazy. Turmoil in your mind. You just want to make things right, but you just can't control it. Never know why. Just hold your sanity, I say.